Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in Samsung account in Galaxy A15 device. So first of all guys, just go to settings and then tap to Samsung account here. So here we have three options: sign in with Google, email or phone number, or sign in with QR code. Or if you forgot your password or you don't have account, so you just tap here and then create account. But right now I have account, so I am signing it with Google. Now just select the Gmail account. As you see, it is now start processing. Now click to I agree and then click agree. As you see on my other device Samsung Galaxy A05, I have received a code. So just enter the code which I just received like this. So you can also click yes and then enter the code 785314. 785314 and then click to verify. So as you see, it is now verified and then click to OK. And that's it. That's how we can sign in our Samsung account in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.